In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter transactions by amount in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money allows you to filter transactions by a specific amount range, making it easier to review spending or find high-value transactions quickly. To do this on desktop, go to the Transactions tab and click on Filters in the top right corner. Look for the Amount section, then enter your minimum and maximum values, such as transactions greater than 100 or less than 500. Once applied, the results will update instantly, and you can combine this with other filters like date, category, or merchant for more precise results. You can also sort the filtered results by clicking the Amount column, which helps you quickly identify the largest or smallest transactions. If you want to automate this, go to Settings and create rules using amount conditions, like greater than or less than, to manage transactions automatically. Using amount filters helps you analyze spending patterns and focus on important transactions more efficiently. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.